Right, we've just arrived in Iceland for a week of photography. So this is why don't you come and join me around. This intro will be used on all videos, so if you've seen any video with this, could be a different video because I'll use the same intro as here we are in Iceland for the next 7 days. There in the distance. Right, well here you find us on day 4 and we're starting off at the Geysir Hot Springs, which is the images you can see now. And I'm afraid there's going to be quite a bit of voiceover because I didn't record as much video with the audio on as I would have liked. But hopefully you'll still enjoy this video as we go forward. Right, we're now here at Seljalandsfoss, I think is how you pronounce it. I'll put the name up on the video, and we've been capturing 1 or 2 compositions, so hopefully they'll come out. And this is the main waterfall, which is very impressive. I have taken different compositions, some more intimate ones. And if they're any good, we'll put them on the video. I apologise if there's not much talking. I might overdub when I get home with the video. But we're getting lots of good images, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be going to Vik. This is the last location today. Then we're heading back to our our wooden cabin in the forest, have something to eat, and then hopefully tomorrow Vik. So we'll see you a bit later. Good morning. We're now on Thursday. I suppose that's day 5 or full day 5 of our wander around Iceland, and as you can see in front of me there is a church, and that's the church at Vik. And if I zoom in a little bit, you can see just there's the sea stacks that you can see from here. Well, we've already been to Black Sand Beach. It's just the other side of that rocky outcrop, mountain, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, we've got some images there. And we're going to make our way to Glacier Lagoon and Diamond Beach and see what we can get there. So yeah, it's been a good day so far. I can't remember what we did yesterday. It's not going to be a proper vlog this. I think it's just an image with a bit of video, images with a little bit of video. It's difficult, or I find it difficult, which I'm probably repeating myself when we're in a group, etc. So right, anyway, we'll catch you a little bit later. Right, well, we're now at Diamond Beach, and we're parked at Glacier Lagoon and have walked through, and it's reasonable. I've taken lots of images. Whether they'll come out or not, I don't know. I've been going round latterly taking ones just of the icebergs here when I've or the burgers or whatever you want to call them, as I've found ones that are quite unusual. So we'll just carry on with that. We'll maybe put some images up, and we'll see you a little bit later. Right, well, you now find us on day 6, when unfortunately I didn't actually make any video recordings, but we decided to head back up via the Black Church, which you're seeing now, up to Kirkjufellsfoss. So that's what we did on day 6, and hopefully you enjoy the images that you're seeing now. As we were heading back to our accommodation, it seemed that the Aurora was kicking off, so we headed back to Brúarfoss, which was not far from where we were staying, and we managed to capture some quite stunning images. The one you're seeing now is one of those, and that was the end of day 5. Right, well I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've liked it, please click the thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, why not subscribe? And please do comment. All comments are much appreciated. The next video will be back into the normal settings of a walk or whatever in the Lake District, and I think I'm going to set myself a challenge. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to go, but only to take black and white images. And I am thinking of starting some random mid-week videos, whether it be talking about gear or workflow or something like that. So if you watch out for those, you may find them interesting.
Nummer